So today we're going to see how to install some new fonts in your Windows PC. So first of all, you need to open your browser and then open Google and search for fonts 1001. So it's a website for downloading some new fonts, and you can use some other websites for use. And so search this fonts 1001 and click on its official website, which is www.1001freefonts.com, and then open this. You can see our website's been open. Now here you can see there are lots of too many different kind of fonts available here: 3D, brush, decorative, fantasy, handwriting, and you can select any of them which you want to like. And so I am selecting here outline. So here's the outline. So come back again and now scroll down. Here you can see there are interactive fonts available here. You can select any of them and download direct from this website, and then install using this video. And so select any of them. I'm just a little bit confusing because there are every font is so nice here. So you can see there are 12 pages available here, so you can thought that there are how many. So I'm selecting this little lot font Leroy. So save this. It gives you option to direct save this, so it's a zip file which you need to extract. So here, your download is completed. It's appear on your download folder. Then extract this zip file, which is little lot font Leroy. Then extract this. Okay, now it's extracted. Now open the folder which is extracted. Okay, now it's an type free file. Open this. Here you can see the sample. Okay, you can also print there, but I'm installing this. Okay, it's installing. Okay, install. So the new font, little lot font, has been installed on your PC. So you can see on any WordPad or MS document. Here I'm searching the little lot. Here you can see font has been installed, and you can use this for some simple stuffs and make it interactive. Okay, so you can write the comment for some upcoming videos and give me ideas which videos should be.